Okay, bring them in slowly, watch the horns. We're ready on this side, making sure the gate is clear.
Get the pathway ready now!
Watch the horns on the left side. Guide them straight ahead.
The scan is looking perfect.
Heart rate is steady and normal.
Stall 3 is ready for rinse.
Copy that. Increasing pressure now.
The pressure looks good on tunnel 3.
Keep an eye on the flow rate for the next batch.
This one is slightly off on the thickness. Yes, I noted that anomaly here.
The curvature on this one is remarkable. Yeah. It's 42 inches exactly. Yeah. Log that in the system, please.
I think we're all set here, John.
Looks immaculate, Maria. The client will be very pleased with this setup.
Welcome to Finding Solutions, where quality meets craftsmanship. From raw materials to final display, we deliver excellence.